Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have an Edifier MS50A wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this device not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's not pairing or syncing to your phone or to another Bluetooth device, if it keeps disconnecting, if you're having sound issues, anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if, for whatever reason, you just want to get a fresh start and clear all of the Bluetooth pairing modes, all of the Wi-Fi connections, any account and registration that's on here, and just get it back to the way it was when it was coming out of the box so you can set it up new. We can go ahead and do that, and it's really very easy to do. So you can do it from the Edifier Home app, just selecting to restore to factory settings, but we can actually force it to do it straight from the device itself. If we just come in and press and hold the play button for 6 seconds. So after 6 seconds of pressing and holding the play button, it will initiate the factory restore on this device. Everything will be wiped off of it, and then we can go ahead and turn it on and set it up like we're setting up a brand new speaker.